No, I don't think we're at checkmate. Certainly not. But this is a scary time to be an abortion advocate in Texas, and it's a scary time to need abortion care. We were hoping that the Supreme Court would uphold fundamental rights and stop this law from going into effect by midnight of last night, but that didn't happen.
Yeah.
We're still looking, and the court could act at any moment. But right now, abortion is all but banned in Texas.
The ACLU never minds when blue states enact, say, trans rights laws, etc. Red states are enacting abortion rights or abortion laws right now. Isn't this just the privilege of being in charge?
No, the Constitution is the law of the land, and we at the ACLU fight to uphold the constitutional rights of all people, no matter where they are, no matter what state they're in. And the people of Texas deserve their constitutional rights to be fought for and upheld just as much as anybody else in the rest of the country.
Fair enough to say that this is a pretty unique and creative way. So sort of from a professional legal sense, props to those who came up with this, because it's changing the conversation in the debate, right?
I mean, it's certainly creative if you think that it's, good and creative to go around our fundamental sense of government. But yeah, it's different.
Do you agree with Josh, though, that this can be turned on its head in California or in Illinois, and all of a sudden you've got private citizens suing gun stores?
Absolutely. The fundamental rights are protected by the Constitution. If we can get an end run around that by allowing private citizens to sue, this is going to open up the door to impact lots of different rights that state governments, for political reasons, may or may not agree with. So yeah, it absolutely opens up the door for this type of law in other places.
It'll be interesting to see if you start getting sort of the strict constitutionalists on the left and the right starting to agree with this for that reason of the Pandora's box. I'm interested, though, in terms of how you guys are going to fight this. It seems as though you're going to have an abortion provider provide an abortion and then get sued under it to challenge it, correct?
I mean, that is not what our lawsuit says. We have confidence that our lawsuit, currently we are suing state actors in the form of judges and clerks and many other state actors as far as regulatory agencies. And we think that, those people are tasked with enforcing this law. And we are hoping to get a preliminary injunction before the law goes, well, the law is into effect, but
the Supreme Court so far hasn't been that impressed, though, right?
Well, we don't know what the Supreme Court thinks yet.
Okay.
We're still waiting to hear.
All right. Hey, really appreciate your time. Thank you very much.
Yeah, of course.
All right. Well, it is no surprise that after an awful few weeks, the debacle in Afghanistan, the White House is really trying to change the conversation. And this is something, certainly